Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, little Robin. Happy birthday, little kitty. You are 2 years old. Aww. Yes, everyone, today is Robin's little birthday. She's 2 years old. It's her first birthday that I've spent with her since I adopted her almost a year ago, but it's her little birthday, so I'm gonna do a little birthday vlog for her. And hey, little cutie, little 2-year-old, little 2-year-old. Do you have anything to say to the viewers, Robin? It's your birthday. It's your time to shine. Okay, that's not what I wanted. Oh God. So I got Robin this little tunnel, so we'll see if she likes it. Oh, she's already going in. Yeah, Robin, you like your tunnel? That's yours, yeah. Oh, there's a ball. You want to play with the ball? You like your little tunnel? Oh, I can't even see you. It's too dark. I can't even see you. Wait, she's playing with the ball, I think. Oh, you like your tunnel, don't you? Yeah, you do. Yeah, you like your tunnel. You love your little tunnel. Oh, you're so cute. Oh yeah, you like the ball. Yeah. Oh, this is a great purchase. I think she really loves it. Yeah, you like it, don't you, kitty? Don't you, kitty? Yeah. Oh, I love you, little birthday girl. She's my spoiled little princess. Hey, Robin. Yeah, who's got a can of food? Who's got a big can of food? I don't know if I can do this one-handed. Okay. Oh, Robin. I can't do this one-handed. I gotta put it down. Yeah, you like your food? You like your food? Look at that little tug. Okay, but here's for the big review. Dump all of it. This giant can is all yours, Robin. If it'll come out. Ugh. Come on. Come on. What the hell? It won't come out. Why won't this come out? Oh my God, it won't come out. Watch out, Robin. Wait, no, you gotta have your big meal. Usually it just comes out, but it's stuck in there. Oh, that sound is so weird. Well, she's chowing down on it. Aren't you, little kitty? You love that. You love your little meal. Yeah, that's your birthday meal, Robin. That's your birthday meal. It's your birthday meal. Oh, you're so cute. I guess a spoon does the trick. Robin. Robin, look, the spoon. Yeah. You cutie. Yeah. That's so cute. That's so cute. And now for your birthday cake, Robin. So one thing about Robin I found out is that she loves cotton candy. So I got some cotton candy from the theater I work, and let's see how she reacts to it. She loves cotton candy. Yeah, you like the cotton candy? You like the little cotton candy? Now let's see how she reacts to the whole giant clumps of cotton candy. Look, Robin. It's all cotton candy. Oh yeah, look at that. It's one big fluff. Cotton candy's so weird. You like the cotton candy? You like your birthday cake? I don't have candles for you, because you'd probably just burn yourself trying to eat the candle. Oh, she's just licking it. Okay, yeah, I'm not going to give her... I'm going to throw this all away, because she doesn't need to eat a bunch of sugar. Make sure to leave your birthday messages for Robin in the comments below. Happy birthday, Robin!